Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality and welcome to the June Pinspiration Collaboration. I will put all the links to the other crafters and their YouTube channels to see what they have created for this month. So every last Saturday of the month we put out a video, and a project is supposed to be something that we have pinned to our Pinterest board. One of our Pinterest boards could be something that we have been wanting to try out for a long time, or something that we've done before in the past, but was something that we originally saw on Pinterest. This was something that I saw on Pinterest. It is it's a file folder flip book, and I learned how to make this. I saw a pin by Little Hot Tamales. She has a YouTube channel. I will put the link for her tutorial. I also, after I show you this, I will show you just how easy it is here on my channel. So this is what I came up with. I used the Echo Park paper collection called Summer Days. It is an older collection. If I can find it, I will put the link for it down below. But it is a really bright and summery collection. I dove into my stash and pulled out a bunch of ribbons and embellishments and made some little trims here. So why don't we go into this and see what it looks like. So I have it tied up with just some ribbon, and that just comes off. And these are fun to make for swapping with friends, or just some Happy Meal. So you open it up, and after you take out all the little things that you add into it, you can add pictures. So you can make it a little file folder mini album. So this is the front here. And I just put some paper down. I layered this little saying that says Summer Fun, the sticker down here that says Happy, and then Carefree up here at the top. I also put a doily back in there, and then added these two little three-dimensional stickers that I had in my stash of little flip-flops. And then I made this little crepe paper embellishment with some rickrack. You open it up this way, and on this piece here I added paper, and then I layered up some lace and rickrack and the doily there. And this would be a great place to put a picture. Over here, I'll turn it around here so you can see it, but I made a pocket with this really fun ice cream paper and the other paper here. There's two different kinds of paper, obviously, and then I layered a doily and then a rickrack. I tried to carry certain items throughout the whole project to make it a cohesive project. And then I made a couple different tags here with the papers, added some stickers that I had in my stash. This was the sticker that came with the collection. So those are fun, and you can add pictures to these as well. And then this opens up, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it around this way. I think I will pull you out so you can see the whole thing. There we go. So I made an envelope with the paper and tied it up here. The tie is glued in there so that you can tie it back up. But I just layered this really fun little carnival paper on top of the flap, and then this paper here, I used letter stickers to write hello. And then I made a little card, and this is what I'm going to write my little note to my swap friend here. This is a really fun sticker that I had in my stash of a floaty. So that goes in there. And then later she can just put whatever she wants in there. She can put like pictures or embellishments or whatever. So that's that. Go ahead and tie it back up. And then over here I layered this image of the Ferris wheel on top of that swirly pattern, and then on top of the ice cream. And then I used one of these, I made another one of these little embellishments with the crepe paper and the rickrack. On this side here, I decided to make this a pocket, and then I made a coin envelope with a die that I had in my stash, and I filled it up with some other dies and stickers and things in there. I put some ribbon here so that you can pull it out of the pocket. That just gets stuck there. Then this is also a pocket here, so I added a couple, or just one tag on this one. So that's just a little tag with ribbons there and twine. So that sticks in there. Now I'll just stick it over there for now. And then if you flip it over this way, there's a little belly band here. I had this really pretty embroidered ribbon in my stash, and I made a couple more of these. I had a die that did these little bookmark tags here, and the sticker came off, so I'm gonna have to glue that back on. So that's there. And this is like a little flip out here. It says picnic at the top. Now, that over there for now. And then up at the top on this flap is another pocket that I made with the paper, and I added some rickrack and a little sticker of some sunglasses. And then I used one of my metal dies to cut a couple different tags here. So those are ready for her to decorate with pictures or embellishments or whatever she wants. And then this opens up one more time. And this I just embellished, and it's ready for a picture. This side I did a little tuck spot with just a piece of paper there, and I cut out these fun little frames here, and then added this little sticker with sunscreen there, and then this one that says perfect. And then on the back, go ahead and fold this back up here, and then here's the back, and I made a little pocket with this paper and sticker there. And then I used my metal dies of the little mason jars and made these two little embellishments. So that tucks away in there. I had a doily back here, and then this little banner sticker, or I actually cut this out of the paper. And then a little circle pocket, so that just sticks in there. So that is my summer file folder flipbook. Now I'm going to show you how to just make the base part of this, because it really is not that difficult at all, and then you can just run with it as far as making pockets and decorating and things like that. So let me put this over here. So what you need is a file folder, of course, and I used the standard size file folder for 8.5 by 11 papers, and this was just one I had in my stash. You need some scissors and some glue, and then any papers and embellishments that you want. I'm just going to show you how to make the base though. So what you need to do is take your file folder, and the side that has the lowest part here, you're going to take and fold that and meet the very edge of it up with the middle of the folder where the fold is. Just fold it in half, and you can use a bone folder if you have it. I didn't get that out here. I'm going to use my scissors. And then you're going to turn it over, and you're going to fold this and meet the second edge here. You want this tab to be out along past that fold. So I'll just show you that again. You have this, and you folded it over here, then you want to flip it over and fold it over like this. Line those edges up with the fold and crease that there. Now you want to unfold this whole thing and fold it in half. At least this was the way I did it. Now, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut this left section out. So we'll just cut up the lines here. You can use your paper cutter, at least on the smaller parts. Probably can't get your paper cutter up in here, but just use my scissors for now. And then you can use this for making tags or little flip outs and things like that, so don't throw that part away. Now, this is what you have left over here. Now what I did, and this is how the little hot tamale gal did it too, was that she brought this little mountain together here and she added glue right here and right here, or you could add it here in the middle and on the other side, depending on which side you want your pocket to be. And then that is the pocket, and I'll show you that on this one here. So here's this middle pocket, just like that. So that's what that looks like. And then, so you have this glued, and then this you fold in like that, and that is your little flip out. And this one you fold in like this, and that makes your little flip out. Or what you could do, it just depends on what you want to do. You can use this as a cover and fold that back behind like that. And then if you wanted to, you could put some ties in here. Put like a ribbon across here, or just glue ribbon here and put paper down at the top. So then you have like your little tie that will tie the whole book together, as opposed to how I did it with just tying the ribbon all the way around it. So that's the way that works. I mean, you can fold it in many different ways, and you could glue this piece together here and make this a pocket and leave this like that. And then, yeah, so it's just endless on the ways that you could decorate and glue it together to make however configuration you want to. So I hope you like this just short little tutorial on how to make the base, but that is that simple. So go on over to all the other crafty ladies and check out their Pinspiration Collaboration videos and see what they have for this month. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.